The ultimate seaside escape is ready for you in the Cove with gorgeous ocean views. Thoughtfully designed with an expansive view deck, it backs to a green space for wonderful privacy in this secluded setting. This home of more than 3,700 square feet is close to Seaside's wide sandy beaches and all of its amenities in this seashore resort community. Heading inside, take the grand staircase or the elevator to the inviting upper level with a cozy fireplace, built-ins, and walls of windows. The newly remodeled chef's kitchen features slab quartz counters, a large island, stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, and pull-out drawers. From here, watch the rolling waves and take in the salty sea air from your second-story deck. This masterfully crafted home features an open architectural design perfect for entertaining. Unwind in the primary suite, relax by its fireplace, and enjoy direct access to the wraparound deck. The primary bath is well appointed with a dual sink vanity, freestanding tub, separate shower, and a large walk-in closet. Easy elevator access takes you to the lower level. Where French doors open to the family room with another fireplace and wet bar. You'll find 3 additional ensuite bedrooms on this level in this 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home. The hot tub and covered patio are ready for year-round relaxation. And you'll love the convenient outdoor shower. Other features include a 4-car garage with an infrared sauna, raised garden beds, and a manicured backyard. A spectacular home in a fantastic location with ocean views. It's all here ready for you on Evergreen Drive in Seaside. For more information or for your own personal tour, please contact Michael Davis with Premier Property Group at 503-440-2747.